Here's just a quick look at where I mounted my rear camera. So as you can see, it's pretty flushed right there. And I'm gonna go to the other side just to give you an idea of where I mounted. You see right here that there's a little hole. Basically I kind of wedged the camera flat right here, and then there's a screw on the base of the camera that will just stick up right through here. And on the opposite end I put a washer and the nut right there to tighten it up. So hopefully it'll stay. As you can see, there's that washer right there, and the screw and the nut kind of are going together. And so when you get that wire through on the back end, if you take out the rear tail light, the inside one, it just all the wiring comes right through here. And I basically, if you can see right there, I drilled through this plastic panel right here, and I made sure to put some silicone to seal the wire so that no moisture gets in. Along with, there was also a grommet that I put in there so that the wire doesn't get cut. And I apologize because I already started putting everything back together, but if you right here loosen up this little hook, this plastic screw right here, along with right here this one, and then the other two on this side, you can pretty much pull this whole plastic panel out right here, and you'll see all the wires. And so what I did was I ran the wire from here, this panel, all the way across the top or behind here, behind this light, and just pretty much all along the carpeting right here. It gets a little bit trickier because you have to pry this plastic panel out, and there's some clips on the other end that holds it together, and there's another clip right here that's really hard to pull out. So if you have a better idea, please let me know, because I ended up having to pull it. There's a little plastic bracket that took me a hell of a long time to get back in. So taking you to the side of the car, I pretty much ran the wire down along this plastic panel right here. Again, it just pulls right out. And same with this one. You can see it's a little bit dark right here. You pull that up and you can pull all along this plastic panel, and it comes right out. I ran the wire up along here, and again the same route for the wiring, is just up along this cover right here and into the side right here. And as you can see, the wire, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you get that wire, it'll come out behind the stereo along with all the other wires, and then I can hook it up into my Kenwood deck.